welcome back to my channel. Estamos aquí con Cristina Ibarra, and today you are gonna learn how to make this pretty little cocktail. It is called an Americano. I got the idea from a movie I watched last night. I was watching, what was it called? The Tourist, with beautiful Angelina Jolie in it and Johnny Depp, whatever. And they were in Italy and they were drinking something like this. So the whole time I'm like trying to figure out what they're drinking. Then Angelina was like, would you like another Americano? I was like, Americano, I knew it, I learned this. So here we are. Today we're making an Americano and I hope you guys like it. We're just gonna build it into our rocks glass, add ice right from the get-go, and it's gonna be 1.5 ounces of Campari, 1.5 ounces of sweet vermouth, and then we're gonna fill it up with the soda water. So you get your jigger, measure out 1.5 ounces, which is this top part. Sweet vermouth. And then we just top it off with our soda water, fill it to the top. It already smells really good. Grab your stirring spoon. Careful. And now for a garnish, you just take your orange peeler. Okay, and then you rub it on the edges. This is to get the aromatics of the orange peel every time you take a sip. Twist this baby and our cocktail. Doesn't she look amazing? Aww. This resembles a lot the last cocktail that we made. Ooh. I love it. So yeah, if you made my other cocktails, you know Campari is a very bitter rhubarb, a very bitter taste. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know how you like it. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Please like and subscribe. We're trying to get my followers or subscribers up.